When we consistently kidnap strategies, we will never be able to make the impact that we were called to make, because all we will be is a knockoff of somebody else instead of your authentic self.
He really impacted everybody in the room. You don't want to miss out Daryl because he's that 1%.
I help new teachers become the teachers they've always wanted to be and make the impact our students deserve. Because I've been there. I know what it's like to struggle, to feel like I'm not enough, but I also know what's on the other side. Excitement, fulfillment, and the ability to change lives.
Everything that Daryl had to say really reminded me to keep going and keep pushing.
It's really motivating for me, a younger teacher too.
This was monumental that we could bring somebody who teaches the same children that we have, who shares the same vision and ideas that we do in our district.
Get it? Every great teacher was once a new teacher, and new teachers are often excited and eager and anxious, but a lot of times new teachers lack the foundational skills of effective instruction. But those who master it, those are the teachers that become highly effective. So the question is, how do we empower those new teachers to lean into the struggle and grow?
There's 1% that you have access to that nobody else in the world does, and that is the thing that we need to highlight, not hide. We view our 1% as if it's our deficiency. But if we view our 1% as if it's a deficiency, you'll operate as if it is. If you view your 1% as if it's your amazing, you'll operate with confidence, and you walk confidently knowing that your differences are not your deficiencies. Your differences are not your drawbacks. Your differences are not your downfalls, but when you let your differences live, that's when you make a difference in other people's lives.
In college, classroom management, I got an A. In real life classroom management, I had no idea what I was doing. I've been in the trenches. Like, I know what it's like to struggle, to feel inadequate, and to feel like I have no idea what's going on. Every teacher that I work with, I carry them through this journey, helping them master the principles of effective instruction so that they know how capable they are.
The bridge from where you are to where you want to be is constructed of the skills that you haven't yet learned. Once you learn skills, you learn how to differentiate, you learn small group instruction, you learn classroom management. Once you learn these skills, then you can maximize your potential. And when you maximize your potential, you're maximizing our students' potential.
You need to bring him to your school. Teachers need to know what the 1% is. He is going to come into your school, transform it, give them motivation, and make them do great things for kids.
It was real and it was transparent, and I love that.
If you want someone who's going to inspire and give them that sense of encouragement that they need, book him today.
Your students don't need perfection. They need you, encouraged, engaged, empowered, extending beyond all that you thought was possible. And then, and only then, your students excel.
If you don't prioritize the 1% that makes you different, you're just living in the 99. The real question is, why is it that we try so hard to blend in when we were literally made to stand out?
It is not a mistake that you are made the way that you are. We can't afford to lose passionate teachers. So let's work to make sure that we create the classrooms our students deserve.
That's what makes it amazing. You calculate what needs to be done and then execute.
This generation is our future, and I'm ready to help your teachers make a bigger impact. Are you?
To see that he struggled early on too, like I've struggled. It was just motivational, just the whole way through. And I'm looking forward to reading the book and seeing what he has to say.